Custom fields in Jira helps teams capture the information they need to do their work so that they can look at a Jira issue and understand its status and what's required. They also let them organize, sort, and report on the data that gets entered. In this video, we'll look at how to make custom fields in standard Jira and what to do if the out-of-the-box fields don't quite cover what information you want on your tickets. To create a custom field in Jira, all you need to do is head over to the Issues Administration in your settings and click the button Create Custom Field in the upper right corner. You can choose from a variety of custom field types, such as checkboxes, a date picker, lists, radio buttons, and URLs. Let's select Labels, and you can give your custom field a name, for example, Approvals, and you can also give it a short description. Next, you can associate your custom field to screens for specific issue types and projects to determine where your fields are usable, but for now, let's just select all. And that's it. You can now search for your custom field, and if you click on it, you can edit the details, add or remove associated screens, and see which projects the field is used in. Now that we've created the field, it will display on your Jira issues so you can enter data into it. So simply open an issue in a project where the custom field is enabled. We chose all, so we can just choose any issue we want. In the right sidebar, you can see the custom label field we created earlier, and if you click on that, you can choose the labels you already created or create a brand new one by just typing it in and hitting enter. So let's enter a new label approved to indicate that this blog idea has been approved, meaning the blog can now be written. Now the issue has the label approved. If you click on the label, you'll be directed to a list of issues that can also have this label if you want to see other approved blog ideas. What you may notice is the label is gray. All labels in standard Jira are gray, so if you want colored labels so that they stand out visually to emphasize certain attributes, in this case the approval status of the blog task, then you'll need an app from the Atlassian Marketplace. Additional custom field types can also enhance your project management by allowing you to do things that you can't do in standard Jira, such as estimating and prioritizing differently. Here we have Awesome Custom Fields, which is a marketplace app that offers a whole bunch of extra custom fields for enhanced project management and overall better visualization on issues. So let's look now at how you create a custom field using Awesome Custom Fields. First, go to Apps and open the Awesome Custom Fields app. This is where you can add new custom fields and edit or delete existing ones. Click on Create Custom Field in the upper right corner. Much like the standard process, you're presented with a list of custom fields that come with the app. They include an issue picker for displaying related ticket information, a priority matrix for streamlining your prioritization processes, and t-shirt sizes for better estimation. Let's choose color labels and give it a name. We'll make this an approvals field so we can compare it directly to the standard field we just created. But if you already created an approvals label field in standard Jira and you want to save yourself a massive pain in the ass, don't create another one in Awesome Custom Fields unless you change the name or delete the standard one, because duplicating custom fields will confuse you and your users. You have been warned. In the next step, unlike standard labels, Awesome Custom Fields requires you to create the labels you're going to use and assign colors to them. We think this is much better because these standard labels can get messy and unhelpful when users just create new ones by typing them in. Just like custom fields themselves, you can end up with too many labels, as well as duplicate labels because of spelling variations or typos. So let's go ahead and create 3 labels for our labels field. I'm going to add approved and make it green, needs approval and make it yellow, and rejected and make it red. The classic traffic light approach, if you will. Then click Next, and you could choose the screens where this custom field is displayed. And you're done. So now let's open our blog idea for Awesome Custom Fields issue. Click on the label field and select the label you want to add to the issue and hit confirm. As you can see, the label on your issue is now one that stands out. It makes the issue more visual, but it also makes the fact that this issue is approved quicker and easier to identify. And the same goes for a bright red rejected label. which might also encourage the user to go back to the drawing board more eagerly than a gray label. No one likes red pen all over their work. And there you have it. In future videos, we'll look at creating some other awesome custom fields that you may want in your instance. This has been fun, and I hope you guys have taken some valuable information away from this video. So goodbye for now, and we'll see you next time.